Which prophet of Allah settled 200 cities? Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him. What is the name of the largest surah of Holy Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. What is the name of the shortest surah of the Holy Quran? Surah Al-Kawthar. How many times is the command to pray in the Holy Quran? 700 times. Which prophet made the first bread in the world? Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, who taught Hazrat Noah, peace be upon him, to build a boat. Hazrat Jibreel, peace be upon him. Which surah is called the bride of the Holy Quran? Surah Ar-Rahman. Who was the first Mufti in Islam? Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Which angel used to bring the message of Allah to the prophets? Hazrat Jibreel, peace be upon him. Which prophet built the first mosque in the world? Hazrat Sheesh, peace be upon him, who was the first prophet to take bath? Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him.